I run a lot of Claude Code plugins, but these 6 are the ones I genuinely keep switched on. And the one at number 1 quietly saves me around 98% of my context window, so stick around for that. So let's start at 6, with Ralph Loop. It runs Claude in a loop on the same prompt until the task is actually finished. So you kick off a job, walk away, and it just keeps iterating on its own, even while you're asleep. Number 5 is Context 7. The thing with any AI model is that its docs go stale, so it'll happily use an API that changed a year ago. Context 7 pulls the real, version-correct documentation straight into the chat, so the code it writes actually matches the library you're really on. At 4, I've got Serena. Normally, Claude rereads whole files just to find one function. Serena gives it semantic navigation through the language server, so it jumps straight to the exact symbol it needs. That means fewer wasted tokens, and a lot less waiting around. 3 is claude-mem. It gives Claude a memory that survives across sessions, so when you come back the next day, it still knows your project, your past decisions, and where you left off. You stop re-explaining the same context every single morning. Number 2 is superpowers. It's basically a library of proven skills, things like test-driven development, a real debugging process, and a brainstorming flow. Claude pulls the right skill in by itself, so instead of guessing, it works like someone who's done this 100 times before. And the one I promised, at number 1, is context mode. It keeps the heavy raw output out of your window and quietly indexes it in the background, so it saves you somewhere around 98% of your context. And if you get compacted halfway through, it restores the whole session, so long chats just don't fall apart anymore. So those are the 6 plugins I actually use every day. If you want a full setup guide for any one of them, just tell me which in the comments. And subscribe. I post Claude Code stuff like this all the time.